His whole idea is to get you to say something contrary, to put you on the opposite side of me. So that instead of my dealing straight with him, I have to deal with you. And you are not my enemy, except by ignorance. You don't understand, so you become an enemy. I have a few among us. Go ahead, say that. But I will deal with them later. Because once we get the big enemy out of the way, the little ones don't count at all.
And that's why, brothers and sisters, you can't play games with one another. Because the wrath of the black man and woman should never be vented on each other. The wrath that is building in the black man and woman must be vented on the enemy who put us in this condition. So when you go home with your wife or you go home with your husband, see, don't play games with each other. I'm telling you straight up, if you want to live, don't play no games with us today. Because we crazy as hell. You hear me? Listen. The black man has had it up to here. And he don't mean no harm, but he will get you for something you ain't even guilty of.
For you guys to be okay tonight and to stop this chaos.
It ain't me. It's not me. I'm gonna let y'all know that now. It's not us guys neither. And I'm glad that y'all said that. It's not us. It's the police. This is the madness that they spark up. This is what they encourage. This is what they provoke. This is what you get out of you taking some loved one from someone. This is what you get. You get a lot of people that's hurt, and they can't fix the right way. They can no longer depend on the police to be here to protect us like they say they gonna do. So this is what you get. And no, it's not gonna end today. I can't tell you it's gonna end tomorrow. I don't know when it's gonna end. But it's for y'all to start. We're not the ones that's killing us. Y'all killing us. We can't make a change if y'all don't change.
And I'm telling you, there ain't no insurance in America for the anger of a God and nature that is building its case against America. And I want to tell you, brothers and sisters, that there's so much fury in Africa right now. I mean, the black man is slow to anger. You check yourself out, brothers. You're different from most human beings. I'm not saying you're better, I'm just saying you're different. What other races fire down on people quickly for, you are long suffering. Elijah Muhammad said, our nature is like water. Alcohol reaches a boiling point at 160 degrees, but water boils at 212. The Western people are alcohol consumers. They got fiery temperaments full of the fire spirit. You say anything to them, they get upset. But the black man, he just seems to endure it. I said he seems to. Because, brother, you have endured much, and it's all now down in the soul. You're just about crazy with wrath, anger, hostility. And that's why, brothers and sisters, you can't play games with one another. Because the wrath of the black man and woman should never be vented on each other. The wrath that is building in the black man and woman must be vented on the enemy who put us in this condition. Listen. So when you go home with your wife or you go home with your husband, see, don't play games with each other. I'm telling you straight up, if you want to live, don't play no games with us today. Because we crazy as hell. You hear me? Listen. The black man has had it up to here. And he don't mean no harm, but he will get you for something you ain't even guilty of. My son got me so angry one day, I had to go pray. I said, if I hit this boy, I know I'm going to kill him with one blow. Because I got so much crap pent up in me, feeling the pain of our people, man. If I couldn't teach and let it out like I do, I'd be the #1 killer in America, killing everything I could get my hands on, brother. Black people are angry as hell, man. And we don't need no damn preacher trying to water us down. We're angry. And we don't have to explain to no silly Reverend Imam Sheikh Mullah why the hell we are angry. Where the hell did you come from, Mars? If you live on this earth, you know why we're angry. We are angry because every day one of us is being killed. Every day and every night it's either us killing each other or the enemy killing us. We've had it, man. Up to the eyeballs. And all it needs is the right trigger. And the right trigger is going to produce a chain reaction like an atomic explosion. And the fury of God in the black man will be let loose upon the earth. And God help anybody that is in the path of our wrath when it is cut loose. And I say this, man, the whole earth has taken us as their toilet. And it's flushing time because the bowl is overflowing with your crap. We have been trampled upon by every people on the earth. But when we cut loose, you will know what you have done. And the Quran says when Allah begins to kill the people, they will not ask, what have I done? They will know that they are deserving of death.
And my father, the Honorable Elijah Muhammad, didn't deal with the small time stuff.